In uncertain times, having the right survival gear isn't just helpful, it can be life-saving. In this video, we're showing you 15 of the coolest doomsday survival gadgets that are perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors, wants to be prepared, or just wants smart gear that works when it matters most. Whether you're a camper, a prepper, or someone who wants to stay ready for any emergency, these tools will make your life easier and safer. Stay with us. Without further ado, let's get started. When the wilderness turns cold and the night feels endless, the Zmoon emergency sleeping bag becomes your lifeline. Built from durable mylar material, it reflects up to 90% of body heat, keeping you warm even in freezing conditions. Lightweight and waterproof, it packs down small, yet unfolds into a full thermal bivy sack, perfect when storms hit or your tent fails. Imagine being stranded miles from camp. This bag shields you from wind, rain, and hypothermia, transforming uncertainty into survival confidence. When the trail throws unexpected challenges your way, the 16-in-1 Camping Multitool steps in as your all-in-one problem solver. Compact yet rugged, it combines an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and even a whistle, tools that can mean the difference between improvisation and preparedness. Imagine setting up camp in fading light. You split wood, tighten gear, and signal if needed, all with one tool in hand. With its protective sheath, this multi-tool ensures you're never caught off guard in the wild. Imagine trekking through dense forest trails as darkness closes in. The Blukar LED headlamp becomes your guiding star. With 3 powerful lights and 5 versatile modes, it shifts seamlessly from wide floodlight to focused spotlight, ensuring clarity whether you're scanning the path ahead or working hands-free at camp. Its zoomable beam adapts to any situation, while IPX6 waterproofing defies rain and sweat. Rechargeable with over 20 hours of runtime, this headlamp keeps you moving confidently, making night hikes, runs, or emergency tasks safer and more secure. Imagine you're deep in the wild, your water bottle nearly empty, and a stream the only source. The LifeStraw Peak Series personal water filter turns that uncertain moment into safety. Compact and ultra-light, it removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, giving you clean drinking water instantly. Whether you're hiking rugged trails, camping off-grid, or preparing for emergencies, this filter ensures hydration without worry. Its durable design and simple use make it a trusted companion, transforming any water source into confidence when survival depends on it. When the temperature drops and matches fail, the FS125 Heavy Duty Plus Fire Starter delivers the spark you can count on. Its half-inch thick, 5-inch long ferrocerium rod, paired with magnesium shavings, ignites reliable flames, even in damp or windy conditions. When you are deep in the wild and the cold bites harder than expected, the HotHands body and hand super warmers become your hidden shield. Air-activated and odorless, these compact warmers deliver up to 18 hours of steady heat, keeping your hands and body safe from freezing temperatures. Lightweight and easy to slip into gloves, pockets, or jackets, they provide comfort without fuss. When the trail twists through dense forest or rugged mountains, the And Compass hiking survival keeps you on course. Crafted from durable metal and rated IP65 waterproof, it resists rain and rough terrain with ease. Its built-in sighting clinometer helps measure slopes, adding precision for hunters, campers, and hikers navigating unfamiliar ground. Packed in a sturdy carry bag, this multifunctional compass transforms uncertainty into direction, ensuring you never lose your way when GPS fails and nature demands reliable guidance. When the night grows colder and fire feels uncertain, the 20-pack waterproof emergency fuel discs provide instant reliability. Compact and easy to carry, each disc lights quickly and burns steadily, even in damp or windy conditions. Perfect for campfires, wood stoves, or survival kits. When you're on the move and clean water isn't guaranteed, the Squeeze water filtration system becomes your instant safeguard. Compact and lightweight, it attaches directly to bottles or pouches, filtering out harmful bacteria and protozoa with ease. Whether you're hiking remote trails, camping off-grid, or facing an emergency, it delivers safe drinking water without bulky gear. When sudden rainstorms catch you off guard, the COOFANDY rain poncho for adults keeps you dry and prepared. Designed with a hood and pockets, it offers full coverage while staying lightweight and packable, making it easy to carry in your backpack or emergency kit. Its reusable waterproof material shields against heavy downpours, whether you're hiking, traveling, or facing unexpected weather. Imagine you're setting up camp and every tool must serve more than one purpose. The Survival Paracord 550 Fire Paracord is built exactly for that. Made to U.S. military Type 3 standards, this nylon rope carries 10 strong strands for heavy-duty use. But it's more than cordage. Inside, you'll find an integrated fishing line, fire starter tinder, and versatile strands that make it a true 4-in-1 survival essential. Whether you're repairing gear, catching food, or sparking a flame, this paracord transforms simple rope into a lifeline when the outdoors demands adaptability. When you're out on the trail and every ounce of gear matters, the ROXON C1 3-in-1 camping utensils keep things simple and efficient. This detachable set combines a knife, spoon, and fork in one compact design, making it easy to pack and carry. When seconds matter and your voice can't carry, the TISUR titanium emergency whistle makes sure you're heard. Compact yet powerful, it blasts at 120 decibels, loud enough to cut through wind, rain, or dense forest. Crafted from lightweight titanium, it's durable, rust-proof, and easy to keep on hand with its lanyard. Whether for hiking, survival, pet training, or sports coaching, this whistle transforms a small tool into a life-saving signal, ensuring safety and communication when the outdoors or emergencies demand attention. When darkness falls and visibility is critical, the Glow Fever Emergency Safety Military-Grade Glow Sticks shine as dependable light sources. Each 6-inch stick delivers ultra-bright illumination for up to 12 hours, making them ideal for camping, hiking, blackouts, hurricanes, or survival kits. Waterproof and safe, they require no batteries or flames, just snap and glow. Whether marking a trail, signaling for help, or lighting up a party, these glow sticks transform uncertainty into clarity, ensuring you're seen and secure when the night demands reliability. In moments when safety matters most, the RHINO Rescue Survival First Aid Kit stands ready. Packed inside a rugged MOLE pouch, this IFAC medical kit is designed for vehicles, camping, hiking, hunting, and emergencies. HSA FSA eligible, it comes stocked with essential supplies to treat wounds, stabilize injuries, and provide immediate care until professional help arrives. Compact yet comprehensive, it transforms unexpected accidents into manageable situations, ensuring you're prepared wherever adventure or daily life takes you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with us. It fuels us to keep creating even better work and bringing you more essential gear insights.